Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Pinterest for business marketing, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a business account on Pinterest. Visit the Pinterest for Business website. Choose the option to sign up for a new account. Fill in the required details for your business. Select a username that reflects your brand. Once your account is created, optimize your profile. Upload a clear, branded profile picture. Write a compelling bio that includes relevant keywords. Add your website link to enhance your brand presence. Next, enable rich pins for your account. Rich pins provide more context about your business. Follow the instructions outlined on the Pinterest help page to set this up. Now, begin creating boards that resonate with your target audience. Focus on specific topics related to your business niche. Name each board with relevant keywords for better discovery. Start pinning high-quality images that align with your brand. Ensure each pin includes a detailed description. Incorporate keywords naturally into your descriptions. Use visually appealing graphics to capture audience attention. Next, integrate Pinterest into your overall marketing strategy. Promote your pins on other social media platforms. Consider creating blog content that can be pinned. Incorporate a Pin It button on your website. Utilize Pinterest Analytics to track your performance. Monitor which pins and boards are generating the most engagement. Adjust your strategies based on these insights. Experiment with Pinterest ads for increased visibility. Target specific demographics that match your ideal customer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.